Prior to its anticipated release next month, iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max color options have appeared online. This year, both Pro models may be outfitted with Apple's alleged 3nm A17 Bionic technology, which will increase performance and battery efficiency. While the top-tier iPhone 15 Pro Max model might have a new periscope camera with improved optical zoom. According to a 9to5Mac report, the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max will not be available in gold or deep purple color options, despite the fact that the purple coloring was just launched with the iPhone 14 Pro series last year. According to the report, the Cupertino business has presented its Pro models in gold for the previous 5 years. While these color options have been abandoned, they will be replaced by a dark blue and Titan gray color option in addition to the current space black and silver hues. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman earlier reported that Apple intends to forego the use of stainless steel for the iPhone 15 Pro models in favor of a new titanium chassis. This should make the forthcoming phones more robust while also reducing overall weight. According to Gurman, Apple may debut the iPhone 15 series during an event on September 12. Meanwhile, according to the report, the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus will be available in black, blue, green, pink, and yellow color options. The company is expected to equip all iPhone 15 models with a USB Type-C port in place of its proprietary Lightning port. All 4 models are said to sport the dynamic island that was introduced on last year's Pro models, and with the addition of a USB Type-C port, the iPhone 15 series of smartphones is finally expected to offer support for faster data transmission speeds. If the rumors that they will support Thunderbolt USB 4 connection are correct, the handsets might offer transfer rates of up to 40 GB. The handsets are also expected to offer a support port for up to 35W wired charging using the contemporary USB connector. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.